And this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying gun to intimidate people to not to do their work. Let me tell you, if we've got to achieve our first staff, who spoke to me here? You could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate and do my job. That's what they think.
The civilian, the engineer mobilized to sites, and then staff or workers of FCDA look at this to intimidate them.
No, listen now. That is the
threatening
problem. He cannot give order against government.
Because the papers are complete and he said some.
Are you the one? Listen, you know the problem you have. Are you the one that will say, paper? Show me that you are one. First of all, show me that government gave you this place. 2, show me that you have an approval to build what you are building. It has nothing to do with I'm a vice admiral, I'm a lieutenant general. That is not it. We must work according to law. We must work according to law. And who? So who?
No, don't tell like please. Don't tell like.
Don't you try it.
I said it. Don't tell like. Don't tell like. Don't tell me this.
Don't tell me I'm lying.
I'm more than the officer. I'm more than the officer. I'm more than you. Look at you. Don't embarrass me. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I am MNI. Who are you? So what?
I'm a small boy, but the commissioner very confusing.
Now, we have seen enough. Please.
Okay. From demolition is property. Okay, sir. Roger, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it lawfully illegal person? You cannot continue to work illegal. You are not the one to say we have documents. You are not the one. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
That matters. I'm an officer. Take to order.
So what? You higher than who? Than me?
Sir, I'm an officer. Take to order.
To order that you take illegal.
Mr. General.
Okay.
I can't say no. That means
you can never develop this property. I will not allow it.
No problem, sir.
I'm
only acting on my
orders.
If
you want to kill everybody, kill everybody.
We will not kill
you. You cannot.
We will not. We will not kill anybody.
You put yourself in trouble.
We will not.
My friend, you see the evidence.
Hey, don't
you cannot shut me up.
No, your mate.
You cannot shut me up.
No, your mate.
You are my junior. You cannot even talk when I'm talking. But because I'm only that way, why can't you guys? I'll be talking and policemen will be talking.
You cannot to carry security to intimidate workers. It's not done, sir. I've never seen this happen. You go and carry somebody's land because you're an officer. Nobody does that. The man took land and will not allow because he was the chief of numbers and they begin to carry land.
Sir, everything was
Will you stop that? Will you stop that?
I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up your mouth, put us. Will you get out?
Sir, who shut up? Sir,
I was in school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will you
me
keep quiet? If you're a big fool,
you
are a big fool.
I'm not a fool.
You think I can shoot anybody like that?
Sir, I'm not a fool.
Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I graduated, you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for which order? You will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and develop here. Go and develop here.
I'm not a fool, sir.
Hell with you, so you would have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Too quiet.
What this is all about?
Well, it's unfortunate. And these are the kind of things that retards our development. You are aware that the land departments and the development control have been mandated to see where there are illegal development going on and land grabbing. And when this was brought to my attention, I did instruct them to make sure that nothing takes place in as much as they did not have any legal paper in terms of regional approval or even the acquisition of the land. And when they came here, I was informed that the soldier of the military had to chase them away. And I thought probably they would be acting illegally. And so today, while I was in the office, while they came to implement the directive that was given to them by myself, I was called that the military have taken over the place. And I have to come by myself to see things for myself. It's really unfortunate. And you heard what the officer said he was sent by the former chief of naval staff. And I don't understand how somebody who attained that position and he see that he has a problem cannot approach my office to say, look, this is what is going on, this is what is going on. But simply because he's a military man, he could use that to intimidate Nigerians. I'm not one of those kind of persons that will succumb to blackmail or intimidation. And you can imagine where you cannot even prove where are the documents. And the director of development control is there. I said, look, I was here. I said, bring the documents. You don't have the documents. Bring the approval for building. You don't have it. And how can we continue to allow lawlessness to prevail in this country? What about those who don't have the military? What about those who don't have security? It has gotten to a level where when government officials are carrying out their job, you go and bring security to intimidate them against government officials. I will not accept that. I've spoken to the Chief of Defense Staff and I've spoken to the Chief of Naval Staff, and they have assured me that, please, they have to resolve the matter. And we're not coming here to have a shootout with anybody to cause chaos or not. But what I can say, I would not allow it to happen. The way we have done, carried our jobs in other areas, is the same way it will be done here. He will not carry out this illegal development and land grab simply because he was a former chief of naval staff. I would not allow that. And that's the situation where we are.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
They'll come arrest you.
Because you're an officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took land. We will not allow because he was chief of naval staff. And then he used to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop
sir,
that?
You get
Will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, you're not a good officer.
I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I was in school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will
me
you
up.
keep quiet?
You can't
Get
shut
a
me
big
up, sir.
fool.
I'm not
You are a big fool.
I'm not a fool,
You think
sir.
I shoot anybody like that?
Sir, I'm not
You
a
are big
fool.
fool. Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I
Don't call me a
graduated,
fool.
you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for
You
which
can't
order?
call me a fool.
You will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and develop here.
I'm
Go
an
and
officer.
develop
I'm not a fool, sir.
Oh,
I'm
hell
an
with you,
officer.
so corrupt. You would have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop. Go and develop here. Let me see you.
Regular officer, you want to come and
We are going to get out.
I'm not even seeing what is recording. Hello, sir.
Director Press.